Meaning of hippopotamus.
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 Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus is a word that refers to a large, semi-aquatic mammal native to sub-Saharan Africa. They are known for their round bodies, short legs, and wide mouths with large teeth. They are herbivores, feeding mostly on grasses and aquatic plants. Despite their lumbering appearance, hippos are surprisingly fast and agile in water, and are considered one of the most dangerous animals in Africa due to their aggressive territorial behavior. Overall, the hippopotamus is an iconic and fascinating creature that represents the diverse and complex biodiversity of the African continent.